Hi, I wanted to take a little bit more time to show you about grammar. The cool thing about grammar is we do the same things on day one, which is Monday, the same things day two, Tuesday, day three, Wednesday, day four, Thursday, day five, Friday. We will do them consistently all year long. They don't change. The slides will look the same. Yes, they'll have different parts of speech and different grammar on them, but they will look the same. So let me take you through a quick walk of this so you see what I'm talking about. So on day one, every day one, which is Monday, you will be viewing a slideshow talking about, this week, nouns and adjectives. On day two, you're going to do a sort. What you're going to do is, in this day, tell me the difference between common and proper nouns. A common noun is any person, place, or thing. A proper noun is a specific person, place, or thing. So you're going to go ahead and click on these and tell me which ones of these are common nouns and which ones are proper nouns. That would be for Tuesday. Now on Wednesday, we get these task cards, and you go through each task card and you answer the question. Is the underlying noun common or proper? You read the sentence, she put her shirt in the laundry basket. So the underlined word is shirt. On the next slide, you would click on the first slide and you would write in whether it was common or proper. Shirt is a common noun, so you would write in common. On day 4, you will be looking at the same type of format, and it will look the same no matter what grammar concept we're working on. So this happens to be common and proper nouns. It says fill in the blanks with common and proper nouns. For our field trip, we went to, you could have different options. You could pick a common noun and say we went to the store, or you can make your writing even more exciting and say for our field trip, we went to the Bakken Museum. That would be a great proper noun that would tell you more about where we went on the field trip. So you'll go ahead and go through that. And then for day 4, you have a little bit of a continuation, one more slide. But then you're going to write 3 sentences about your favorite book or a book that you're currently reading, and remember to include some of those proper nouns in your writing. So you'd go ahead and write a sentence here. Maybe you would write, I am currently reading the book, The One and Only Ivan. Now, Ivan would be a proper noun, wouldn't it? Because it'd be the name of a person. So you'd go ahead and write 3 sentences. And that would be on Thursday. Now on Friday, we have a grammar quiz to see how you're doing. And you're going to just go ahead and click here and it will lead you directly to the grammar quiz. I hope I made grammar a little bit easier so that you could see that it's basically the same every day, every week. We just change what we're learning about. This week, nouns and adjectives. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope it helped. Bye-bye.